Let's fix your flashlight if it's not working on your iPhone. Now, if you're trying to turn on your flashlight to be able to use it, but it's not working, I'm going to walk you through various steps to get that fixed. The first thing that we'll do is we'll hop into our settings here. Oh, let me go back. And we'll tap on Control Center. And you can see I have flashlight here on included controls. Now, if it's not on there, just tap that little green plus to add the flashlight. Now to access your control center, we'll swipe down from the top right. And you can see here is my little flashlight symbol. So I can tap on that and you can see in the camera, I can tap on it and it turns that flashlight on and off. Now there is the ability to change the kind of intensity of that flashlight. So I can tap and hold on it and it will pop up with a little slider that allows me to turn it up and then slowly dim it and turn it down. So maybe if you have it set at a really dim level, then even turning it on won't help all that much. So go through that process to basically turn that on and turn it up. Another thing you can do is, let's go back, tap on General and then Software Update. So update your software. Sometimes there are bugs or glitches in that flashlight app, and a new iOS update should fix any kind of bugs or glitches in that. Now, another thing that you can do is sometimes the flashlight won't turn on because your phone has overheated or is working too hard. A lot of times this fixes it by just restarting your phone. So we'll tap the volume up, the volume down, and then tap and hold that power button until your phone completely shuts down and then restarts. That will a lot of times fix that flashlight issue. Now, if you go through all of these steps and you still try to swipe down and turn that flashlight on or off and it is not working, you can do two different other things. Basically, you can choose to remove the case, maybe remove your iPhone case, clean around that area because maybe it's just really gunked up. Maybe something got in there that's obstructing that flashlight. And then the last thing you can do is you can go into the Apple Store. They'll plug into your phone, run some diagnostics, and figure out why that flashlight is not working. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.